Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today is all about pancakes, and I've tried so many recipe. I'm going to be sharing with you guys this recipe, how to achieve a fluffy and filling pancake. If you're one of those people that your pancake comes out looking very flat, this video is for you. I'm just going to be sharing with you just 6 ingredients that you need to achieve this thick and fluffy sweet pancake. Keep watching, guys. For the first ingredient is going to be baking powder, and we're going to be using 1/8 of a cup, and we're going to be using 1 cup of flour, and also we're going to be using 1/8 of a cup for sugar. The next ingredient we're going to be using is vanilla flavor. We're going to be using 1 egg and powdered milk or liquid milk, whichever you have can work. So for this pancake, I'm going to be adding dry fruits. This is what it's called here. I don't know what it's called out there. I just wanted to add a little bit of spice to my pancake. You can choose not to. So somehow I didn't realize that my camera stopped to record, but all I did was mix the egg and the milk together and stir them together. Now I'm going to be adding the sugar, and after that I'll be going in with the baking powder, then the flour. I'm just going to stir it completely till it comes to a smooth paste. One of the best way to mix your pancake properly is by mixing the liquid first and making sure that they have mixed completely well into each other before going in to add the powders or the dry ingredients into a mix. So if you're enjoying this video, please click the subscribe button and share with your friends. Help a sister grow. So I'm just going to be adding a little water. So one thing about pancake is people tend to add a lot of water, just a little, and you see that this was the only water I added, and I kept stirring until it came into this smooth paste. So you don't have to add a lot of water, just a little water. Just make sure you keep stirring till it comes to a fine paste like this, and you don't need it to be too thick or too light. So guys, for the pan, I usually would use oil spray, but I don't have oil spray here, which is the best because then it's just very little. It's in between that little or no oil. But one thing I can do also is just put a little bit of oil into the pan and then use tissue paper to clean it, so that way it looks like there is little or no oil. Because if there is enough oil in this pan, the pancake flour, or let's say the pancake paste, will just absorb the oil and you'll be eating very oily pancake. So this is the way I achieve my fluffy pancakes. You can go ahead to put your fruit like this, or you can just mix it direct into the paste, which was what I went ahead to do later on. And that's it. Simple and very direct. So guys, when you start seeing that bubble burst on top of the pancake, just know it's time to flip it to the other side and wait for the other side to cook up too. Don't forget to like this video, share this video, and comment whatever you don't understand. I'm here to reply, and I'll get back to you as soon as I see your comments. So this is what it looks like. So can you see how dry it looks? So that's why I put little or no oil, because when you get to put visible oil, it just absorbs it because it's flour, so it's just going to absorb it. So guys, this is what it looks like. I'm one of those people that enjoy eating my pancakes without syrups or honey or anything. I just like to eat it like that with sausage or egg. So look at how fluffy it looks, look at how thick it is. And one good reason why this is more preferable than the flat one is because it fills you up faster and you don't have to use a lot of flour, just little. Please, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.